To create a storage account in Azure, follow these detailed steps. First, log into the Azure Portal at portalazure.com. Click on Create a Resource in the upper left corner. In the search bar, type Storage Account and select it from the drop-down. Click on Create. In the Basics tab, choose your subscription and resource group. Enter a unique name for your storage account. Select the region closest to your users. Choose the performance tier. Select either standard or premium based on your needs. For the replication option, choose from options like LRS, GRS, or RA-GRS based on your redundancy requirements. Next, navigate to the Advanced tab. Here you can enable features like hierarchical namespace, access tier. In the Networking tab, decide if you want to allow public access or restrict it to specific networks. You can also configure service endpoints or private endpoints for enhanced security. Organizations keep storage accounts on private endpoints for security. So, if you are deploying storage accounts in production environments, make sure to select private endpoints. Move to the Data Protection tab. Enable options like soft delete for blobs and file shares to protect against accidental deletion. In the Encryption tab, ensure that Azure Storage Service encryption is enabled for data at rest. You can also manage your own keys if needed. Organizations manages encryption using own keys, so if you're creating storage account in the production, make sure to encrypt with own keys. Next, go to the Tags tab. Add tags to help organize and manage your resources effectively. Finally, review your selections in the Review plus Create tab. Ensure all details are correct, then click Create to provision your storage account.